Hello again, boys and girls. In this video we are going to be doing our math practice pages, and we're going to be using our counters to help us with this. Remember, today we are learning about our plus sign, and we did this section up at the top along with our visual learning video. So if you do not have that traced, go ahead and do that for me. We're going to look down here at problem number 1 now. How many paintbrushes are there in this group? There is 1 paintbrush, so I'm going to bring 1 counter down for that group. And, remember, plus means and, put together. How many are in this group? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to bring down 3 counters. 1 and 3 is the same as 1 plus 3. Now, how many are there all together? It doesn't ask us for this, but if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 4. So 1 plus 3 is 4. Let's put our counters back up here out of the way. Let's look at number 2. How many books are there here? 1, 2. So we're going to write the number 2, and we are going to bring down 2 counters. How many books are there over here? 1, 2, 3. We're going to write the number 3, and we're going to bring down 3 counters. 2 and 3. What sign can we put right here instead of writing the word and to show we're putting them together? We can use the plus sign. 2 plus 3 is the same as 2 and 3. Let's see what it is. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 and 3 is 5, but we don't need to write that because it's not asking us that. Okay, boys and girls, make sure you have this written. I'm going to erase it so we can go to the next page. Okay, let's look at number 3 on this page. We have these little bottles of glue or something. I'm not sure what those are. It's some type of craft supply. It's either bottles of glue or bottles of glitter. How many bottles of glitter are in this group? 1, 2, 3. We are going to write the number 3. And I forgot to put my counters back up here, didn't I? We are going to bring down 3 counters. Now, how many are in this group? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to write the number 4 here, and we're going to bring down 4 counters. 3 and 4. What number or what sign can we put here in place of the word and to show we're putting them together? We can put the plus sign there. Good job. Let's put these back up here. How many crayons are in this group right here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write the number 5, and we bring down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counters. 5 and how many's here? 1. Write the number 1 and bring down 1 counter. 5 and 1. What sign can we put here to replace the word and? We can put a plus sign. 5 plus 1. Let's see what 5 plus 1 is when we put it together. We have 5 5, 6. 5 plus 1, or 5 and 1, is 6. Good job, boys and girls. Make sure you're getting this written with me. Let's look at number 5. How many scissors are in this group? There are 3 scissors in that group. So we write the number 3 and we bring down 3 counters. How many scissors are in this group? 3. So we write the number 3 and we bring down, since it says and, we know we're putting together, so we're going to bring down 3 more counters. What sign can I put here in place of the word and? I can put a plus sign. And to make the plus sign, it's just a straight line down and a straight little line across. So 3 plus 3 is 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. Let's look at these party favors over here. How many are there right here? There are 1, 2. We are going to write the number 2 here and we're going to bring down 2 counters. 2 and, that means we put our plus sign there, 2 and 1. We're going to write 1 and bring down 1 counter. How much is 2 plus 1? 2, 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Make sure you have this written so that I can erase it and I can change the page. This is our independent practice page. So I want you to do this by yourself as I tell you the directions. Look at number 7 here. We have 5 erasers and 1 erasers. Can you write the math problem down here for me? How would we write that using our plus sign? Look at number 8. We have 2 paintbrushes and 5 paintbrushes. How would you write that down here as a math problem and use the plus sign? Go ahead and write that for me. Down here for number 9, we have 1 notebook and 2 notebooks. Can you write that down here using the plus sign for me? For number 10, we need to draw 2 groups of counters to show 5 in all. Then, write the number of counters in each group and the plus sign to show adding of the groups. So, it sounds like a lot, but it's not. Let's begin with some blue counters. Let's do 3 blue counters. We can begin with any number that's less than 5, smaller than 5, because we have to get 5 total. So we had 3 blue counters there, and I have 3 counters down here on my counter board. We have to get up to 5 total. 3, 4, 5. And I made that one counter really, really long, didn't I? 3, 4, 5. When we count them and put them together, we have 5 total. How many do we have in this group? This group was 3, wasn't it? 3 blue ones. So you're going to write the number 3 down here. How many was in this group? 2. Now, if we're showing that we're going to take these 2 and put them with that group of 3 to make one big group, what number or what sign do we use to show we're joining those together? We use the plus sign. It's a little line down and a little line across, and that is our plus sign. Thank you for doing these pages with me today, boys and girls. Have a great day.